the previous video I started exploring this Malaysian island, which is a complete mix of cultures from different parts of the planet, and a local Indian cook didn't let me pay for the meal he made me. In this video we're gonna keep exploring the island, try different food from more cultures, and especially focus on the Chinese. Here we do get a Chinese society. What are they hiding? Probably it's older people just playing with cards all day. Or maybe they're shaping the worldwide business. Who knows? Oh, the British Council. I guess they are here for hundreds of years. Because guess who colonized this island? The Brits. But the Brits never actually established it here for good. The Chinese did. And now 50% of the population of the island is originally Chinese, and also a good part of the tourists. For example, here you can see it is super common. Menu in Chinese, menu in English, prices in Malay. Another massive presence of people on this island are the Indians. If you can recall some history, you can see that the Indians, they were actually Buddhist. They became Hindu later, or at least the majority of them became Hindu later. And all the original Indians, which they were Buddhist, they exported the Buddhism in Asia. And now you can see so many temples all over the island. You can see such beauty. So nice. I actually want to touch it, but I know you shouldn't touch art unless it brings you luck, and then you get arrested, but at least you got lucky. Thick. Why this channel is getting censored? Like, shut up, Michael, shut up. But look how beautiful. Look at the architecture, look at the walls, everything. A massive mix of China and India. All these Chinese are Buddhists now, and they all have been living here on this island for hundreds of years. Now you see all this beautiful architecture, all the European influence. I absolutely love it. But let's focus on the Indians that inhabit this island, because they created an area called Little India. In Little India you can find Indian products, lots of Indian food, that's where we're heading, and lots of Indian clothes. And there is also Rahaji Silk Palace. And over there, I have no idea what they are selling, but yellow shirts. Then we get posters with pretty Indian girls. If you guys are single, her number is available, and probably you're gonna call the shop, but okay. Copyright. I'm trying to sing over the copyright. I'm not even singing, just talking very quickly. You see, all the Indian traditions are respected here. All these people wearing, I don't even know how to call this, but Penang Little India. And I tried this actually in India, so maybe let's check one that is not sweet. 8 pieces per plate. Pani puri. Hello.
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
Which one is not sweet? Hello. Hi.
You want spicy?
Sorry, spicy but not sweet. Not sweet.
We actually sell everything sweet. We just add spices on it.
Can I just try one? Can I try one?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh. Compared to India, here they wear gloves, which is a massive upgrade. Because the Malaysian law helps. See? So you make the hole in the pani puri. That's the spicy sauce, right? Spicy, onions. Oh, I tried this in Delhi, I think, but it was different, it was more liquid. Oh, here we go with the sauce. And so many things inside. Wow, they look like cereals, but they are not. And again, oh my gosh, this was so complicated. Dhanyawad, thank you. Oh. One bite or it breaks and it will splash all over the shirt. Nice. Which one it is?
That's original.
The original?
Yeah.
Man, I will pay you anyway. I cannot eat more, but I will pay you. I just wanted to try. I'm trying lots of food, so I cannot eat 10.
No,
4.
No,
No, it's okay. Keep it. Okay.
I pay only.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Oh my gosh. That's the beauty of Indian people. When you meet the right ones, they are the kindest on the planet. Absolutely fantastic. Hello. How are you? What do you cook?
this tandoori
Ah,
naan bread is
tandoori naan.
Indian food. Rice,
Oh,
biryani.
let me show it on video. Plain naan. Can I get just the naan without the chicken? Only.
5 minutes wait.
Oh, 5 minutes.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay, you just opened. Maybe I will come back later.
Okay.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. In the middle of the video, I had to go pick up the laundry. Sorry, guys. And despite them telling me, oh, you need to pay 5 ringgit extra, otherwise it will never be ready for tomorrow. Once I got there, my clothes were nowhere to be seen. Thank you. They made me pay 5 extra for laundry. And one day they told me to come back today at 10. It's 1:30 p.m. I don't know. Hopefully they didn't lose my clothes, but I'm okay walking naked. As you can see, it's so incredibly hot, like so freaking hot. So I had to kill some time and I decided to go explore the city a bit more. Check how colorful. This reminds me so much of Thailand. But if you hear this prayer in the background, it's because there is a mosque. Malaysia is a country that 60% of the population is Muslim, and maybe 30% of the island is Malay. But I don't know how they can keep the statistics, because you are born here, then you are Malay, but you have Indian origin, so it's a big mess to keep the stats. And if you wanna get married from China to Malaysia, every single option is here. Here is the mosque. Non-Muslim with proper dress code and decorum are welcome. I cannot enter in shorts. You can clearly see that 50% of the city is originally Chinese. We go to a Chinese residential area. You see? All the Chinese explanations. English in the bottom. I'm too tall to read English, so I guess we keep moving forward. And then, because I was still very full to be eating for the video, I decided to go for a coffee. If you know me well, you know that I would normally order an espresso or a double espresso or a flat white, which is practically a cappuccino with 2 espresso inside. But when I went inside the coffee place, they had a very strange and interesting menu, and therefore I decided to go for another option. Latte in Italian means just milk, but it's very picturesque. I need 2 hands to drink from this cup. It is like a more creamy cappuccino. No, it's a nice idea of putting coffee in very different cups than normal. I strongly suggested. Actually, the taste was really nice. Sorry. I'm back on the streets. I changed the outfit because it was way too hot with the shirt. I was sweating all the time. I had a shower. I did some research about the other locations, but we need to keep going. It's time to leave the India of Malaysia and go to the China of Malaysia. But I absolutely need another coffee because the construction workers killed me tonight. 1:30 a.m. Malaysia. They were working all night. Chinese food, halal and non-halal. Over here, at night, you will see like a party road. Not specifically this one, but this one on the left side and this corner. Thank you.
One beer.
I have to stop drinking. It has been too much. Coffee written in Chinese, breakfast, lunch, cocktails, live music. The Chinese really love to party, trust me. they do have so much money. I would love to have that car, to be honest. Been thinking about that car for many years. Not sure how I'll get there, but someday, somehow, without stealing it. Trading company from China. Guys, the Chinese are 25% of the population or 22% of the population in Malaysia, and they do own 45% of the money because they have a completely business mindset. That's the main difference. And this one over here, this word Hokkien, is the local dialect. Very old Chinese building, lots of Chinese tourists. Now I'm gonna teach you one word in Malaysian. It is very, very important. Berhenti, which I guess it means stop. Xiaolong Bao, super suggested, honestly. I cannot agree more. Success is a journey, not a destination. Oh, steps, steps, steps. A journey that could end because of some steps. Very, very pretty building. I believe all the Instagram girls, they do come here. So you know where to go pick up girls. My suggestion. Or probably avoid them. They might be too narcissistic. We rock. I see some street food stalls. Let's see what are the options. No, let's avoid the fried stuff. Lobak. Hello. And I could get some noodles 100%. Oh, actually, this place is very, very famous within the Chinese community because it is suggested by C3 Gourmet, which is like the Michelin restaurant for our side of the planet. Hello, how are you? Then, oh my gosh, durian, please no. Durian sucks. Fried stuff. Just found out that this one is a night market. Let's go to the C3 Gourmet Chinese Michelin or Michelin. It's fireworks.
Alright.
Hello. If I get the food here, where do I sit and eat? All business hour from 5 to 11 p.m. They even accept Alipay. Let's get this one. I understand just the word due, which means yes. Hello?
Wait for me while you serve. Sorry,
No problem. After I can sit there?
Yeah. Anyway, you can see. You just ordered one drink for the table, please.
Oh, okay, no problem. Your English is fantastic.
Yeah. Because it's a one-man show.
So that's how it works. You order at the food stall, you grab the food, then you go inside, maybe order a drink, and you should be okay.
Bạn Sometimes you get my.
I guess they're taking it at home.
What do you like, sir?
This one?
Okay. Only one, eh?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, I said me. Baik, ini bos. 6 ringgit, sir.
Thank you.
Where you sit?
I don't know, where is possible inside? Somewhere.
Also order one drink, ah.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Noodle soup. Something spicy. Welcome. No problem. Absolutely. Where are you from? Germany. Which part of Germany? Berlin. I guess I'm going to Berlin very soon. Guys, they told me to order a drink, but nobody's asking me if I want to order a drink, so I'm not sure if it works as a business model, but I'm gonna find out. nice. Let's go for the balls, but let's use the spoon for the balls. You know what? This thing is delicious, but it's better without the fish ball. Fish and meat together, to me, don't really match, apart from a few cases. Chinese or Malaysian food?
Malaysian food.
Malaysian food.
Yeah.
I will get one.
Yeah.
I will get one. Yeah. That's. Oh. Okay.
So you want chili or without chili?
Chili is fine.
Do you want to eat this
We can split.
yourself or come
No, we can split. We
If
can
this
split.
is 2 rolls, maybe I can split 2 for you.
Yeah. Split. Yeah.
You want chili
No
as well?
problem.
Yeah, for me.
It's okay, chili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. So I guess I'm gonna split food. Perfect.
That's cool. That's
Yeah. I'll take care of it. No, absolutely. No problem.
It's just like I'm so curious about
Exactly. That's my problem when traveling. I wanna try the entire menu, and then I'm like,
There's so many things and you just don't know.
And this island especially, like, too many cuisines. It is what it is. So guys, I did order this thing. I'm gonna split it. I split the plate in 2 with the lady from Germany. Let me try it out. Interesting. Maybe it's supposed to be mixed with the soup. I'm not sure. Maybe you need to drink the soup by itself. The soup helps sending it down your throat. I should stop waiting. We got some help from a waiter. You need to make it wet and then you can eat it. Much better now. Well, there is only one thing left to do today. We got the clothes. Thank you so much for watching. Keep reading, believe in dreams. Please support the channel on Patreon and PayPal. Everything is linked in the description. Ciao. Subscribe if you're new here.